And on the debate, joining me are Major General G.D. Bakshi to present the Indian view. I'm joined by Major General K.K. Sinha. I'm joined by Saddam Hussain. He's a senior council member of Gan Adhikar Parishad, live from Dhaka. I'm also joined by Dr. Zahidul Bari, who's an activist, chairman, Bangladesh Autism Disability Institute, live from Dhaka. But let me begin with Saddam Hussain. Mr. Hussain, I really do not understand. I'm surprised, I'm appalled that a country which is known to be a hub of terrorism world over, why would your country be giving them a security clearance for a visa application, be it a Pakistani from anywhere in the world? Why would Bangladesh do this? I fail to understand.
Because it is your lackings. Why you fail to understand? It is not our lackings. Trade is available between every country, even in case of India, Pakistan, where Pakistan and India are rival countries. They are doing trades and allowing their citizens exchanging the borders. Just see the China-India rivalry. They are also doing trades with China, and China doing trades with India. And there are more than $100 billion trade relationship between India and China, although they are rivals. Just look at the China-US relationship. They are seem to be a rival country. But look at the trade relationship between China and India. They are trading for more than $50 billion. So today's world is a world of trade and commerce, a borderless world. Every country, irrespective of their political relationship, irrespective of their
Saddam, it is a world, you're saying it's a borderless world. You fought to bring in these borders. Your forefathers fought to bring in these borders. Your forefathers gave their lives. You've forgotten 1971. You've forgotten the Liberation War. You've forgotten the atrocities that were perpetrated on your forefathers, on your sisters, on your mothers. You've forgotten all that in 1971.
Pointing to the event unnecessarily. This is not a matter of pointing unnecessarily of 1971.
Is this unnecessary?
2014, you know.
Really?
2014. And
this is unnecessary, Saddam, for you? No, I just want to put this debate into perspective, Saddam. You're saying this is unnecessary. Major General G.D. Bakshi, he is talking about an open border policy. He's talking about the world coming together as one. I appreciate that. But you are opening up a border for somebody that you fought against. You fought against, and you've seen it all. You've seen it in 1971. You've seen the tyranny. They've faced it, but they choose to forget it now. Why do you see this causing up to Pakistan now? Major General G.D. Bakshi, sir.
You fought multiple times against China, but
excuse me,
have opened your border.
That's
sorry,
all right.
we've not opened the borders for China. We've not opened the borders for China.
By the way, my name is
G.D. Bakshi, sir. Major General G.D. Bakshi. Major General G.D. Bakshi on the debate now.
All right.
Getting visas from India.
All right, stop yelling.
Saddam, you've got to listen. You've got to listen. And you've got to see this debate in perspective.
Why not? All right.
So just you are
Major General
Bakshi.
There is no other. Can you let somebody else talk?
Event of 1971.
I mean, this man thinks he's got a right to harangue the rest of India. We take turns, in the Indian debates. By the way, thank you. Pipe down. Sucharita, there is no example in the world history of a country that had suffered brutal colonization and exploitation,
yes,
and that fought a liberation war to free itself. 50 years down the line, that country wants to rejoin its former colonizers.
Absolutely.
Amazing. I have taken part in the 71 war. At that time, Sucharita, there were the Razakars.
Yes.
At that time, they were the Razakars, and they were pimping for the Pakistan army. They were supplying
we were
women
the
to
same
the
country,
Pakistan
but
army.
the
Yes.
leaders,
Right?
but the leaders
3
of
million
Pakistanis,
Bengalis were killed.
But the leaders of Pakistanis
Look, my dear
wrong
fellow,
against us.
look,
That's why we
oh,
have
Mr.
to liberate it from
Mr.
there. But
You
there was no
are in a
colonization.
civilized debate.
And
that means
this is not
after you've
misinformation.
spoken, you listen to the other.
Saddam.
Can you get that right and stop screaming your head
I
off?
will choose to respect the sacrifices made by our forefathers. So, and GD Bakshi is a war veteran. For us, I would want to give him that respect. You choose who you want to give respect to. You choose to forget your heroes of 1971. That is your choice. I want GD Bakshi to speak to the Indian audiences. Let him speak. Let him make his point. Let him make his point on the debate, Saddam. You choose not to respect your forefathers. You choose to forget the sacrifices they made in 1971. It is up to you. And I will give you your point. I will let you make your point. Let GD Bakshi complete. Let Major General complete. Go ahead, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Sucharita. You know, the simple fact is that when we were fighting the war in Bangladesh, the Mukti Bahini were fighting shoulder to shoulder with us to free their country. At that time, they were the Razakars who were acting as pimps for the Pakistan army. They were supplying women to the Pakistan army. And you know, the Pakistan army killed 3 million Bengalis. They raped 1 million Bengali women, and 10 million Bengalis were pushed out into India as refugees, leaving India no option but to fight a war to create the conditions for the refugees to go back. Right? Here are these grandsons of the Razakars who want to restore their rights to pimp again for the Pakistan army. I have not heard of such a thing in the history of the world. A country that was colonized by the Punjabis of West Pakistan, the Bangladesh was looted. East Pakistan was looted of its resources. In 1970, there was the cyclone Bhola. You know, millions of Bangladeshis perished, but the Pakistani army did not move a bloody finger. To help the people of Bangladesh. And that is when they had, lost all faith and respect for their colonizers in West Pakistan. 50 years down the line, we have the grandchildren of the Razakars wanting to merge their country and once again make it a colony of Pakistan. Can you get any lower? Can you sink any lower?
This is ridiculous.
The people of Bangladesh
No, it isn't.
are self-respecting people. Would they want?
This is-
What is
It isn't.
ridiculous? Were you born?
He is
Were
just
you born
stating
then?
facts.
Were you born then, Mr. Saddam
this is
Hussein? or
ridiculous.
whatever?
It is-
It
Your
isn't
grandfather
ridiculous, Saddam.
You
He's
weren't
just
born.
stating facts.
We saw that with our eyes.
He is
All right?
Let me
He's
get
far
Dr.
out with our
Bari
eyes.
into the debate. Let me get Dr. Bari into the debate. What GD Bakshi, what Major General Bakshi is referring to, he's speaking to, is about Operation Searchlight. He's very clearly speaking about Operation Searchlight, where on 25th March 1971, officially, it marked the onset of the genocide of Bangladesh. Now, Dr. Bari, you're free to refute this, but don't you remember how individuals from all walks of life were murdered? There were activists, there were intellectuals, there were troopers, there were innocent civilians, they were all butchered. And what Major General Bakshi was referring to, 2 lakh women being raped, assaulted by the Pakistani military. You've forgotten all that clearly. Here Saddam is speaking about opening borders to Pakistan. You've forgotten your past, you've forgotten your origin.
Sucharita, once again,
Yes.
I'd like
we
to...
haven't.
Dr. Bari,
haven't.
Dr. Bari.
I'd like to
This
say,
way.
with due
Why you
respect,
think it this way?
Mr. Defense officer, former defense officer,
Yes.
who said, I think he said as an insult, because this is fact of 1971 is way back 53 years ago. Now Bangladesh is in 1924. Bangladesh escaped from the colonization of Sheikh Hasina, even from the colonization of India. You are talking about Pakistan. Yes, it was a colonization, I do believe. Yes, our liberation was needed on that time. But right now, our second liberation was needed from India, and we got it. We got it by our revelation. We got it by our forces and the will force of Bangladesh.
Liberation.
Will force of Bangladeshi people will make Bangladesh established.
You don't
will
even
make
realize,
Bangladesh
you don't
head
even
of
realize the
world
darkness
and
that
will
you're
make
falling
Bangladesh
into.
head of the
Dr.
Southeast
Bari,
Asia.
you don't
Yes.
even realize the darkness that you're following into. And I really do not care. I should say I really do not care what is really happening. What the thought process that is going on amongst the intellectuals there.
process is
If I can
happening
call
that
them intellectuals, if
Bangladesh
they are
has
thinking
started
about
newly
opening
to
doors
connect
to
the world
Pakistan,
again.
I really do not know if I can call them intellectuals. But this whole realignment that is happening with Pakistan, please, you need to think, you need to introspect, because you're right. It might be more than 50 years. It might be more than 50 years. But that whole foundation, that foundation of Bangladesh happened
with the world again.
Your
Bangladesh
forefathers
has-
lost their lives to make this country, to separate it from Pakistan.
Really independently, without the colonization of India. Bangladeshi people rejected
India
the
never colonizes,
independence of
sir.
India.
India never colonizes. And that is the
Bangladeshi
mistake
people
you're
highly
making.
rejected-
You're
strongly
making a
rejected
mistake.
the interference of India.
Major General
And that's
K.K.
why the
Sinha,
Indian people
I think we need to tell them
is
India
getting insane.
never
They're
has,
talking like-
India has
like
never
a-
had,
insane.
India will never have a colonization mindset. We fought the colonization mindset. We don't have a colonization mindset.
Yes, India
We do not
occupied
have a
our
colonization
corner.
mindset, and
India
I
occupied
feel
our
sorry.
development
I feel
pocket.
sorry
India
for people who
occupied
want to
our
forget their own liberation war. I feel
Political
sorry,
freeness.
and also the black hole that you're
India
following,
put Sheikh Hasina into power.
the black
To
hole
occupy
that you're
Bangladesh.
sinking in, Major General Sinha.
And Bangladesh
It is
got
the
a-
hub of terrorism. People walking down from Pakistan into Bangladesh is my concern, because I have a border with
My
Bangladesh.
concern is Bangladesh
They don't need
will
security
protect-
clearance,
Yes,
but
yes.
I am worried.
Of India.
Yes,
Bangladesh will
yes.
go
Major
ahead.
General Sinha, Major General Sinha on the debate.
Quiet.
Yeah, sorry, sorry.
Major General
Sorry,
Sinha.
one point.
Dr. Bari, can you keep quiet? Dr. Bari, can you
Saddam-
keep quiet?
I have 1 point.
Saddam, Dr. Bari is
Saddam,
quiet,
can
but
you keep
Saddam is
quiet?
going on.
I will defend you. I'm ready to defend you.
Okay.
Saddam, can you keep quiet?
Saddam, I have asked Major
Quiet.
General Sinha to make his
Saddam, I
point.
can shout more than you.
Your aunt is
I'm
more,
Major General K.K. Sinha here.
honorable to you
Just
than
keep quiet.
others, which
You-
is ridiculous,
you
right?
guys
It is
are
justice
absolutely
against
shameless
country,
creature
and they are showing
on the
pretending
face of the
that,
earth.
they love
Who is
us.
shouting today?
Our
Just
mother,
keep quiet. Dr. Bari, Saddam
our,
Hussain, Saddam
ability-
Hussain, please keep quiet.
Major General
Just
Sinha.
keep quiet.
Listen to us.
Okay,
Sucharita,
all right.
thank you.
Saddam,
Thank
Saddam,
you.
let Major General
Thank
Sinha make his
you.
point. It's fair enough.
Thank you. I'm Jan Sinha here. You are not Jan Sinha. Just keep quiet. Sucharita, you said these scrupulous people, you know, today their population is 18 crore. India's population is 140 crore. That time, Bangladesh,
What does it mean?
1971, 53 years back, when we have gone there, because, you know, that time it was 13 crore only. India gave it because Bangladesh, that time, East Pakistan, it is the past of Bengal, was the part of India in the greater sense. But we gave it 73,000 prisoners. India handed over to Pakistan. You know what happened? After 71, within 4 years' time, in 1975, they killed Mazur Rahman, Bang Bandhu, who actually gave them the liberation. They killed their 3 sons, killed his wife, Sheikh Hasina, and her sister was in Germany studying. That's why they were said,
Who killed?
Bang Bandhu has given you, you shameless creatures, on the face of
who
the
killed
earth.
Bangabandhu?
India that time,
Who did kill
that time
Bangabandhu?
should not have given you the liberation.
Who killed?
Indian soldiers gave their blood. You useless people,
We
your
30
army,
30 lakh
your
people.
soldier,
30 lakh
You-
people from Bangladesh have sacrificed their
Today,
lives to secure
Suchatra
India.
said,
You know,
the time has come
you
and we
should
will not
admit-
allow you to pass like this. India
should
can
admit that
capture.
30
When I
million
say
people
we
of
will
Bangladesh
intervene,
sacrificed their lives
we
to
will
secure India.
intervene. You will shit in your pants. The time has
You
come.
should- you should
We have
admit-
given blood.
Okay, Saddam,
our
Saddam,
blood
let me make this
to
very
you.
clear on the
You
debate
can't-
tonight.
You can't.
Let me make this very clear on the debate tonight.
Let me finish it. Let me
Yes,
finish
Major
it.
General Sinha, make
These
your point. Make your
people
point.
are jihadis.
I'm just adding to this.
They
sir.
are jihadis. These people who are sitting in the Rajakars, these people who are sitting over here is Jamaat
This is
Islami
you,
people. They are the people who are sitting on Hizbut Tahrir, who wants to bring the Islamic Caliphate in Bangladesh.
You have no knowledge
They are
about
sitting, their
international
underbelly.
Bangladesh.
We will
You
not,
just
mind
telling
you, through this
bullshit,
debate, I
in
must
India.
make clear it. If you, what bullshit? You are shameless creature
You
on
are
this
telling
earth.
us bullshit.
You
You know-
want to
you know
bring
nothing
the
about
Islamic
Bangladesh
Caliphate there?
Internal issues.
Your-
You know nothing.
Your interim government, Dr. Yunus, is the mole who
I
has been
think-
brought in 1972
You are
after 71.
I want to make this very clear. Saddam. When Major General G.D. Bakshi is speaking, when Major General K.K. Sinha is speaking, I give them utmost respect because they are war veterans for us.
Sitting on the...
They are war veterans and we are taught respect for our seniors here.
Saddam,
We are taught respect for our seniors. I will not allow you to disrespect our seniors on the debate. I am very clear, Saddam. I am very clear.
Do you want from me?
It is
We will
a
not allow
very,
that thing happen.
it is very, very clear to us as Indians. We do not disrespect our elderly. And we do not allow others to disrespect our elderly.
Bangladesh today,
So that is very clear. So Saddam,
we will not allow you to talk.
you put in your point.
Saddam,
I
we
do
will
not
not
allow you to
talk like
speak
this.
over Major General Sinha. Very clearly. You make your point. I will not be allowed to speak over him.
Sucharita, these people who are sitting over here, they are the people from, Jamaat Islami, Hizbut Tahrir. Hizbut Tahrir is the organization which want to bring the caliphate, Islamic caliphate in Bangladesh. And today they are citing 2 million
Ridiculous.
women were raped.
Out of
3
frustration.
million were killed. And that people are talking about today.
They've
just
forgotten the
18 crore
numbers,
people
sir.
over there.
They've
Today,
forgotten
this is
the
our
atrocities.
underbelly.
They've forgotten the
You want
tyranny.
to cause up this.
Now, Saddam,
They
that
want the
you're going
nuclear
on
umbrella
ranting.
for
You're going on
Pakistan.
ranting. Let me
We
just
will
go.
not allow this thing to happen.
No, Saddam.
They want a nuclear
Saddam.
umbrella
Okay,
for
Dr. Bari, now you don't go the Saddam way. You don't go the Saddam way.
West like this.
Let me speak to Saddam first.
Bakshi
Dr. Bari, I will come to you.
21 war.
Can we just have Saddam and GD Bakshi on screen now? Can we just have
We will
Saddam
not
and GD
allow you
Bakshi
to
on screen?
happen like this.
Major General Sinha, I'm coming to you. It's very clear, Saddam, now that
Yeah.
you were going on and on and on. You will learn from debates in India, you will learn from debates on Republic, that we let our seniors speak. Now that you are going to be making your point, I just want to highlight a few things. Like I said, the Operation Searchlight, I'm sure you've forgotten about it. Over 2 lakh women raped, assaulted by Pakistani forces, you've forgotten about it. Around 3 to 5 lakh people lost their lives. You've forgotten about it. And you don't really care. You're talking about open borders. You're talking
is
about
your word.
a global order. That's beautiful.
You know what? I'm not forgetting. I have not forgot anything.
Oh, yes,
what
you have.
mentioned. Even I know that happened. Those incidents happened for both Indian and Bangladeshi interested. Bangladesh got independence. India got their security. Bilateral achievement was there in 1971. You don't just talk about bullshit. At the same time,
What are you
I have not
talking?
forgotten.
What
that
are you saying?
the
Do you
Indians
even know how to
are
use your words?
continuously killing
Do you even know how to use your words?
Our borders.
I can completely make out the kind of mess that is going on in Bangladesh. You don't even know how to choose your words. How would you know how to make the right decisions in Bangladesh? I am not surprised. I am not surprised.
Here in Bangladesh. It is
No.
just your
You know what? You know what? The world over. If there's one country that is known and seen as a hub for terrorism, it is Pakistan. And GD Bakshi sir would amplify my point. Major General Bakshi, And one country that is known as the global hub for terrorism, it is Pakistan. Now opening down, having no security clearance for people coming from Pakistan or of Pakistan origin, it is jeopardizing your own security. I don't really care about it. If they want to do that, let them do it. They want a global order. They want a world without borders. But I share a border with Bangladesh, and that is why I'm concerned. Major General G.D. Bakshi on the debate now, Saddam.
Disinforming your audience in the way. You are just forgetting. You are forgetting.
I will be forced to mute. I will be forced to put down your
Can I
fader.
say my piece? I have heard you with patience.
I don't generally do that because that is
heard you with
disrespect.
patience.
I said that very clearly. I do not disrespect my elderly. I do not disrespect my guests. But if you will not allow him to speak, I will have to do that.
Saddam,
Major General G.D. Bakshi now.
I have heard you with patience.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Thank you. Sucharita, you know, at least the learned doctor from Bangladesh was talking calmly. And he made a point which I would like to answer first.
Go ahead.
He said India colonized Bangladesh. When we had captured Dhaka, taken the surrender of 93,000 Pakistani prisoners of war, we shipped them all out of Bangladesh. Tell me, how many Indian soldiers stayed back? Not one. Every one Indian soldier came out of Bangladesh. We did not have to. We could have taken some excuses and hung on. But we handed back Bangladesh to the Bangladeshis. We had helped to free them, and it was now their country. So to equate Pakistan and India, I think it is a travesty of the truth. How many Indian soldiers stayed back? Not one. How many Indian soldiers were there in the time of Hasina Wajid? The point that I'm trying to make is that today Pakistan is a country on the brink of economic collapse. There is chaos in that country and civil war. They are fighting the Baluchis, they are fighting the Sindhis, they are fighting the Pashtuns, they are fighting the Shias, they are fighting amongst themselves and going with a begging bowl, let me finish, going with a begging bowl to United States, to China, to UAE, to Saudi Arabia. Bangladesh had, you know, by 2015, the per capita GDP of Bangladesh had overtaken the GDP of Pakistan. By 2021, Bangladesh per capita GDP had overtaken the GDP of India per capita. Right? This is what we left you. And what did you get from Pakistan? Loot, murder, genocide, rape, mass rape of your women. You can see the statue in Dhaka, you know, with the sari of a Bangladeshi woman being pulled off. Have you seen that statue in Dhaka? If you haven't, you need to move around a bit, right? The simple fact is, India has been very friendly to you. India has done its best to help you to get your economy up. You want to go back to jihadi chaos and anarchy. Like Pakistan, you want to join Pakistan with a begging bowl, going all over the world. Begging bowl. Bhikhari jaisa. Come on, man. I thought the people of Bangladesh had a lot of self-respect and intelligence.
Indeed.
Isn't that a display tonight, Major General G.D. Bakshi? I think it is. Major General Sinha.
I must
Sinha.
respond to him. I must respond to him at a single point, at least. Should I respond?
Yeah, if it makes sense, please go
Sinha,
ahead.
can I come back?
If it makes any sense, please go ahead. Saddam.
Okay, he was talking about our surpassing of India on the basis of per capita GDP, but he is not mentioning that India is sucking us economically in the way that we are exporting more than almost 15 billion from India, and they are importing just below 1 billion from us. This is a clear sucking of our economy. This is clear.
So great.
Disrespecting our.
All the best to you. Your
position.
economy is going to boom once you realign yourself with Pakistan. So all the best to you. I think that is a good way that you've chosen
We
for
will.
yourself. No. I am actually wishing you all the best. Your economy
very
is
much.
going to
We
be
will.
booming once you go the Pakistan way.
No, we
With
will-
the pun
we will-
intended.
We will.
Let
we
me
will
make that very clear.
leverage.
No,
We will
Major General
make
KK Sinha.
leverage.
Major General
We
KK
will
Sinha.
decentralize
This
our-
removal
Yeah,
of
yeah,
security
yeah.
clearance for
We will
Pakistanis.
decentralize our
And against the
policy.
backdrop
We
of the
will
persecution of
even
minorities.
decentralize our
Do you see
military
Bangladesh going on the way of becoming Pakistan again?
Yeah, they have even, in my judgment and my, what my research says, that Bangladesh even crossed, as far the, fundamentalism is concerned, more than Pakistan today. Pakistan, I'm talking about West Pakistan. Now they want to become East Pakistan, the part of Pakistan. That's why they say not only they are talking about the visa, no security clearance is required, any Pakistani can come. And why they have done it? Because the security clearance, all jihadis are going to be line. Sucharita, few days back, one ship full of arms, ammunition of Chinese, which has come from Karachi right to Chittagaon. And it has gone. And that's why what you see, what is happening in Bangladesh, whether it is Islamic Chat Sivir or it is the, Hizbul Tahrir, which is now there. Hizbul Tahrir openly saying
Yes.
that they want to make it, Bangladesh as a caliphate, which ISIS wanted to make it to the South East Asia as a caliphate of Islam. So it is a very clear line. And what is happening? This, the Muhammad Yunus is exactly stooge of that. He has been brought with design, and that's what he is doing it. The Islamic, Chhatr Sivir, on that, the leaders, he is actually listening to them. Today, 1 crore 30 lakhs Hindus are there. Our concern is that, what they are doing it. Brutally, they are
Right.
killing them. All things, they are vandalizing it. And what you are saying, they are not giving him the visa to cross over to India. They are having a visa of India, but they are checking it. But they want to bring it Pakistanis jihadis so
Yes.
that they can do a
Yes.
jihad war here and make a caliphate. And that is what that is. And that security dangerous, and there's an underbelly of us. We have got a full right to intervene in military admin over there. So
I
when they're
think
talking about
if
open border where?
If they choose
Which?
to forget the
maritime border?
sacrifices
They're
of their
talking about
forefathers,
border in
if they
India?
choose to forget the tyranny, if they choose to forget their liberation war, it's up to them. We can only wish them best of luck.
We
They're
haven't-
going the
we haven't
Pakistan
forgot-
way.
we haven't
We all know
forgot.
what happens.
We
What
secured-
happens
They want
going the
to
Pakistan way. Let's just wish them best of luck.
From
Give me a chance to
Pakistan.
talk.
Let's just wish them best of luck. They want to go the Pakistan way. Let them.
Bangladesh.
That's all I can say. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of you for joining me on the debate.